Hi guys and welcome to this channel. How to write clean, logical and understandable code. How to achieve the same goal with less code. This program is written by a junior developer. We are going to optimize this code. We are going to improve this code to make it shorter, readable and understandable. Let us use Node.js to run this. Terminal, new terminal. Node and the name of the file, and it says hex. This hex in RGB is this value, so this is this one. If I change this to something different like CB29A5, now it is different. Now it is evaluating the hex color from maximum size to the minimum size. We are going to do it the opposite, from minimum to maximum. So here is like the length is 4. So if L is 4, if the length is 5, it means that the color has transparency or alpha channel. An example of hex, you can give the hex color in 6 digits or in 3 digits. This white color is the same as this 3, and both can also have alpha channel or transparency. For example, 0 0 or 0. And here the length is 4, with transparency the length is 5. So we completely take this part, Control C. We can bring this completely here and remove that one as well. If the length is 9, then it means that it has transparency. If length is 5, or if length is 9, to RGB is RGBA, Otherwise it is only RGB, so without the A. So we can get rid of this one. If it has transparency or alpha channel, return this. Otherwise, for the rest, return just RGB. Now let us test it. So the result is the same. There is also another function RGB to hex. Here you get the RGB and then return hex. First, we don't need this one. We can return directly from here. Here above this function, Farman hex portus. Juniors use too much if else. As you see here, we have 4 blocks of repetitive codes. Here it is the same, it is the same, and all the same. Value, 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 or we can even turn this to ternary operator like this. Return Control C, Control V. My value is this. It is going to return this. Otherwise, return this. And then here for every part we gave this value. Copy this one. Now let us test RGB to hex. RGB, RGB, say 235, 255, 105 in hexes. So here RGB to hex. passing this value, Control C, Control V. Save it and let us try. So RGB in hex is this value. Let us try with alpha channel or with transparency. Let's say 0.5. Save it. I forgot to pass it also here. RGBA, RGBA 0.5. Save it and try it again. And now this one with alpha channel is this one with alpha channel. So 0.5 is 80. Another thing is that juniors compare Boolean expressions with Boolean values. And it's very unlogical. For example, this function returns a Boolean. So it returns true or false. And it is not necessary to again evaluate it with Boolean value. If you remove it, the result is the same, but the code is not the same. So let us call this with the age, for example, 56. Comment this out. Nothing. But if I give it, for example, 16, it should say you get 10% discount. This was just first level code optimization. In coding, in programming, if you go over the same code over and over again, every time you find some mistakes, every time you improve it and make it better and better. What I showed you here was very basic stuff that helps you to write logical computer programs. As you see, this code still needs some optimization, but for this video it is enough. This one can also be achieved with ternary operator, return, so here if the age is greater than 64, it stops and returns true. If it is not, it goes to the next expression, checks. If the age is less than 26, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns the result of this. So it will be false. That's it guys. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times.